This is a problem of number system. It is given that p1 into p2 plus 1 equals m square, where p1, p2 and m are natural numbers and m is less than 100, and it is also given that p1 and p2 are prime numbers greater than 2, and we have to find the sum of all possible values of m. So the given equation can be rewritten as p1 into p2 equals m square minus 1. This is equal to m minus 1 into m plus 1, which means p1 and p2 are two consecutive prime numbers, as one out of m minus 1 and m plus 1 will be p1, the other will be p2. So we have to check all the prime numbers less than 100 that can take value of m minus 1 and m plus 1, which means the difference between p1 and p2 is of 2. So the all the possible pair of values for p1 and p2 will be consecutive prime number except 2, 3, as these two are greater than 2. Therefore m1 minus 1 into m plus 1 will be either 3 into 5 or 5 into 7 or 11 into 13, 17 into 19, 29 into 31, 41 into 43, 59 into 61, and 71 into 73. All these are the pair of prime numbers less than 100, such that the difference between the numbers in each of these pairs is 2. So the values that m can take are 4, 6, 12, 18, 30, 42, 60 and 72. Therefore the required sum will be 4 plus 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 30 plus 42 plus 60 plus 72, and this is equal to 244. Therefore option C is the correct answer.